That's a good overview. And so could you talk more in detail then about your technology, specifically about your rubber granular extruder? How does that work? What's that, can it process all sizes of rubber granules? What's the output? There's loads of questions that have regarding your technology.
Yeah, so it's a traditional extrusion technology that has been adapted for this kind of materials, rubber crumbs, which in our compounds they are about 70-80% of the raw materials, and the remainder, depending on the compounds and the products that we would like to produce, they could be another 20-30% of recycled polymers or other materials, depending on what we're trying to achieve. So the raw materials enter our extrusion chambers, and then there is a die head that spreads the material over either calendering, and that's we produce specific products that are like big mats, for example, for shock absorption in sport applications, like shock pads that go under the synthetic turfs, or we can granulate the compounds and then go in injection molding, which is possibly the biggest innovation because it's something that we've been really pushing the last couple of years. And then they go into presses, injection molding machines, and the material being made of a high percentage of recycled rubber is very flexible.
Yeah,
so
sure.
We can so far we've been printing a vast array of products, and it's been very, very positive. Then from that into manufacturing and commercialization and distribution, that's where we are looking for partners, especially in different regions of the world, to sort of work with us in different potential operating models to bring the products to the public.